Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Once again I have this my PC here, which is a Dell Latitude D820. I've kept it for long, and when I powered it on, it keeps popping me that I should enter my password, but I've forgotten my password. I can't remember it again. So what do we do now? The only issue is that I have to clear off the password before I can have access to whatever which is inside the Windows. So now my only issue is that for me to solve this problem, I need to use a Hiring boot CD to clear off the password. So which I'm going to show you how to clear off this password in the installation in this process. So follow us in the video, and hopefully if you have also forgotten your password, you can easily remove it. But please don't use this on any PC which is not yours. Use it on yours if you have forgotten the password. So please, let's shut down the PC and get to start to work. So let's shut it down. Shut it down here. Alright, so as it is shutting down, we are going to be using Hiring boot CD, which is on this our drive, to take off the password. So let's get started. As you plug in your pen drive, keep on pressing F12 to go into the boot menu options. So here we have our boot menu options. Now we select our pen drive, which is a USB EDD. So you select the pen drive and press enter. Right, so with my pen drive, I have different operating system on it, but in my case I'm going to be using the Hiring boot CD to remove the password. So you select Hiring boot CD, which is Hiring BCD. So select that. Right, as it is loading, let's just wait for it to come. Right, so our Hiring boot has booted inside. This is it. So we just wait for it to configure all its configurations all on its own. So as all settings are being configured, now let's go to the start and start to remove the password. So go to the start here, click on the start button and go to all programs. Once you are in all programs, click on all programs. Once you are in all programs, you go to security, and the security you go to passwords, and then under the password you click on NT password edit. So click on that right here. So as this is the NT password edit, so you click on open. Automatically the hard drive will be detected at the top here, so you click on open. Right, so select the administrator name which you want to change the password or remove the password. So here my account name is Donna, so I select that. I'll prefer to change the password than to just remove it or unlock it direct. So click on that account and click on change password. Once I click on change password, I can give it anything. So we say so let me give it a password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now you put it down, you put the same password at the down here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Use the same password, and you click on OK. Right, so once done, you click on save changes and then you exit. Right, so as we have exited, we are still on Hiring boot CD, so you need to restart the PC, unplug the pen drive and let it boot into Windows. Then we try our password which we have reset, which we have changed. So click on this and then click on that and shut the PC down. As I have shut down the PC, so now We now restart it to boot into Windows. So let's just wait for it. As it is an older PC, you can see date and time are not set, which means the CMOS battery is dead. So let's press F1 to continue with that. Right, so we press on start Windows normal. Alright, so it has booted once in again. So let's try with the password which we have changed. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let's enter, and voila, our Windows has booted. It is now inside. So guys, that is just how to change or reset your password. Guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. So you can see now that we are inside our Windows. So any files which I need, I can just copy them direct, and then voila, we are good. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on our next video. Peace out.